Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, how can I learn stock market trading? Answer by Kurt Abhishek. Nowadays, buying a stock is as simple as recharging your mobile or transferring money. All you need is computer with internet connection, a bank account and some money in that account. Obviously, if you have seen movie Guru, in which Abhishek Bachchan was in leading role based on life of Dhirubhai Ambani, the scenario of stock market might scare you. But it was something like 50 to 60 years back. Now, no physical appearance, no much paperwork are required. You can buy a stock sitting in your room in front of your laptop, and that too within 2 minutes. But buying shares online is the easy task, but I believe first you need to find that right stock that you should buy. There are a few basic work which you should go through to find the best stock for you. Read and research. There are tons of websites on the internet where you can get tutorials for stock market basics and about how to buy a stock in stock market. For beginners, I will recommend to follow websites of Money Control, Economic Times and Investopedia, Sharper Insight, Smarter Investing. Learn how to follow stock market and trends. Trade Brains. There are a few books which are must read for the beginners in stock market. They are The Intelligent Investor, One Up on the Wall Street, Beating the Street, Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits, The Little Book That Beats the Market. In addition, please check out this link to know about other must-read books for stock investors. http://www.tradebrains.in/10moves. You can read further about Indian stock market from the following useful links: Investment Basics, Sensex, Nifty, and Index. How to create your stock portfolio. Learn how to follow stock market and trends. Trade Brains. 6 different types of stock in Indian market according to Peter Lynch. Now after learning the basics, the main tasks begins. You need to learn how to follow the stock market, their trends, their fluctuations, etc. Get good financial knowledge. A good financial knowledge is the key for the success in the stock market. You need to understand the fundamentals before entering the stock world. The basics of earnings per share, EPS, PE ratio, book value, P/PB, dividend, return on equity ROE, return on capital employed ROCE, debt/equity ratio, which should be known to you before you analyze a stock. You can read further about from these links. Investment Basics, 6 different types of stock in Indian market according to Peter Lynch. Make your dummy portfolio. A portfolio is nothing but your collection of stocks from different or same sectors. A portfolio shows how many shares you are owning from which sector. Generally, a good portfolio maximizes the profit and minimizes the risk. You can learn how to create your portfolio from this link. How to create your stock portfolio. Follow the stock you're interested in for a few days. The last step before buying a stock from stock market is to learn how to follow stocks in the stock market. You should know how to track stocks so that you can buy/sell them at the best time. I advise the beginners to at least follow the stocks for 1 month before buying them. You can learn how to follow a stock from this link. Learn how to follow stock market and trends. Trade Brains. I hope this answer is useful for the readers. Further, if you want to read the complete post, you can find it here. How to buy a stock in stock market. Step-by-step explanation. Answer by Akash Gupta. Well, my friend, to learn about stock market you can start with reading. You can't learn without reading. So you will have to start reading books, articles, follow the great people in domain, or get someone to guide you. Being part of digitization, you can opt for webinars rather seminars. You should be aware of mistakes you must avoid as you are going to deal with hard cash, the money you earned with hard work. Your own money. I can refer a blog, Daily Capital Market Dose. When you Google for this blog, Google suggests you about it as it is being searched enough, I feel, and if it is searched enough, so it means that people are reading it. The search results and the blog. Now why this blog? This blog is more for the beginners. I mean, there are articles like 12 most common mistakes traders make, Beginner's Guide, How to Start Investing in Stock Market, NSE/BSE/MCX. What are stock options? List of websites for live market rates. What are candlesticks patterns chart? What is demat account and how to use terminal for trading? IPO, initial public offering in India. Additionally, stock analysis fundamentals and technical. It has more to offer for learners. Best part, IT can be read in your own language with Google tool on top. So why I'm saying you should read this blog. Most of the articles are for beginners. You can read it in your language. It has approach for making money without and with technical knowledge. Not only basic introduction to the market but also for the technical analysis. It has search toolbar so you can search for articles directly and read the same. People are already Googling for IT. Answer by Kushi Gupta. 1. Since you are starting out, first you need to familiarize yourself with the basics. Consider the set of excellent articles at sites such as these below. Great investing basics websites. Investing for beginners, Fire's Brainstorm, investing articles. 2. Next, I would recommend you to first get solid grounding in investing. 3 must-read books. If you haven't heard of these, buy them now, today. They will be your invaluable guides to safe and prosperous investing in future wealth creation. 1 Up on Wall Street, Peter Lynch. Intelligent Investor Benjamin Graham. Common Stocks Uncommon Profits Phil Fisher. 3. Next, you need to understand more on the promising sectors, promising companies, etc. So start reading the Economic Times Daily. Watch CNBC TV 18 Your Stocks with Udyan, NBTV Profit. There are also dedicated shows on Sat/Sunday mornings 9:30 am onward till 11 a.m. or so on CNBC TV 18 that cover investing basics, markets next week, basically trading calls for the week, and other useful shows. 4. You could also join some investing/trading groups to learn more from other investors. Here, by listening on the conversations, you can shorten your learning curve. 5. Once you have spent some time in all above, say 3 to 6 months, you will see that you start forming some ideas of your own. That you are able to comment on or question what someone is saying on TV, the Yahoo group, or even what your friends offer as stock ideas. If you are unable to comment/question anything on most of the pronouncements by analysts/others, that's a pretty good indicator that you are not ready yet. If you venture out at this stage, you are probably not investing but gambling away hard-earned money. So read up, ask questions, and see that you are able to interpret/question/comment on what others are saying. Only then take small bets in companies you believe in, which have some track records. Don't go for quick profits, that's a sure recipe for disaster. Good luck.